The great blue heron, nature's prehistoric supermodel. Imagine a bird so elegant, so poised, that it looks like it stepped straight out of a dinosaur's dream. Enter the great blue heron. These feather giants are the supermodels of the wetlands, striking poses by the water's edge, stalking their prey with the patience of a monk, or a cat watching a laser pointer. But don't let their grace fool you. These birds are stone-cold fish assassins. Herons spend a ridiculous amount of time cleaning themselves. And honestly, if you spent your days wading through swamp goo, you would too. They've even got a built-in grooming tool, a fancy little claw designed to comb through their feathers like a luxury spa treatment. And let's talk about the powder down feathers, because yes, these birds have self-cleaning, slime-fighting dust, basically their own version of dry shampoo. Imagine, you spill something nasty on your shirt. Instead of changing, your shirt just disintegrates the mess. Yeah, that's what the herons do. Nature is wild. When they're not shaking off the swamp, they're laser focused on hunting. If you've ever seen one, you know the deal. Motionless, staring, waiting. Dinner. They'll stand perfectly still for what feels like an eternity, and suddenly lunge like a kung fu master, spearing fish with their dagger beak. Oh, and in case you were wondering, yes, they do eat more than just fish. They'll also snack on frogs, snakes, and even other birds. So maybe don't get too close if you're the size of a pigeon. Watching a heron take off is like seeing a living fossil come to life. With a wingspan of up to 5.5 feet, they look both majestic and slightly awkward, like a pterodactyl that's late for a meeting. But despite being 4 feet tall, they only weigh between 4 and 8 pounds, which is honestly kind of rude. How do they pull that off? Hollow bones. They're giant, feathery marshmallows with knives for beaks. Springtime. That means it's dating season. But unlike geese, who are basically the clingiest partners in the bird world, herons are seasonal daters. New year, new boo. They'll build their nests high up in trees in giant colonies called rookeries, which are basically heron apartment complexes. Some of these rookeries can have 500 plus nests, which means it's probably the loudest, most chaotic homeowners association meeting ever. Once the eggs hatch, about 28 days later, both parents take turns feeding, protecting, and teaching their little fluffy dinosaur babies how to be swamp royalty. So the next time you see one of these tall, majestic weirdos, remember, you're looking at one of nature's coolest hunters, a self-cleaning machine, and a low-key dinosaur in disguise. If you've liked this weird deep dive into the world of herons, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around for more nature rants, ice rants, water rants, just rants in general. Because trust me, I have plenty.